Water is life. Or rather, pure water is life. You are 100% sure that water is pure when it's Livpure. Livpure is not just a name, but a way of life at a sprawling manufacturing unit where thousands of pure souls take oath every morning to make you live pure. It starts with the arrival of the raw material, which is kept in a holding area and taken to the adjoining lab to be put through a strict regimen of material, technical and electrical tests for purity and consistency. All parameters have to be fulfilled before the raw material is given a go-ahead after being marked OK for entering our godowns, which are kept under strict vigilance. This pure raw material combines with cutting-edge molding machines to make plastic housings of required shapes and sizes in accordance with the designs and innovations of our untiring and diligent R&D wing. All innovations are inculcated and ingrained by our trainers into our eager workforce, making sure that all queries regarding new technologies are answered. Discussions and deliberations take place at every level of the hierarchy so that our trained workforce delivers nothing but perfection in each and every product being put together on our never-ending assembly lines. Our state-of-the-art assembly line is well supplied by new-age components from our in-house membrane plant, which makes the world's best membranes on our automatic machines. Each membrane is precision cut and then vacuum tested on the automated vacuum tester for any leaks. Our fully air-conditioned electronic section has a pristine, sterile and unsullied environment as it houses automated lines which make state-of-the-art chips and controllers for our neoteric water purifiers. The machines might be automated, but we make sure that our personnel monitor each process and every product in microscopic detail. We also have a hybrid auto-manual line to fabricate custom-made chips and then tested manually for electronic and electrical compliance. This state-of-the-art assembly line is manned by highly trained and motivated personnel who assemble a vast and varied range of components for Livpure RO water purifiers with great diligence. Quality benchmarks are adhered to strictly because at Livpure, we firmly believe that pure water is a matter of life and death. The products are assembled and then tested on the assembly floor itself and then in the lab, where water filtered from them goes through a battery of tests. These tests are in accordance with the most stringent guidelines adhered to not only in India but across the globe, making sure that only a flawless product that will live up to the name Livpure leaves the assembly lines properly sealed and packed. After passing all the tests with flying colors, the Livpure RO water purifiers go into the holding area awaiting delivery. Our comprehensive product range includes Smart Touch, India's first smart RO water purifier, which can be controlled via Bluetooth. The NV series comes with color options to suit modern kitchens of all hues, adding color and style. The Pep series, which looks elegant and sleek with its pastel shades and unibody design.
Come on India, live pure.